I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil on Cadillac ATS. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on but the engine remains off. This allows you to interact with the dashboard display. Next, locate the controls on your steering wheel, typically on the right side. Use these buttons to scroll through the various menus until you find the Oil Life display. This is where we'll begin the reset process. Once you've reached the Oil Life display, the next step is straightforward. Press and hold the Sell or Set/CLR button, usually found on your steering wheel, for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life percentage on the display will begin to flash and then reset to 100%. This indicates a successful reset. Release the button once this change occurs. After releasing the button, take a moment to confirm that your oil life display now clearly shows 100%. This is your visual confirmation that the reset was successful. Next, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off, then restart the engine. This allows the system to fully cycle. Finally, quickly check your dashboard for any lingering oil change warning messages to ensure they are gone. Remember, resetting the oil life monitor should always follow an actual oil change, not replace it. This ensures your engine receives proper lubrication and care. Always refer to your Cadillac ATS owner's manual for recommended oil types and service intervals to maintain optimal performance. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Keeping up with regular maintenance is key for your vehicle's longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.